Hey guys, this is Caleb with Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina. Got a walkthrough video for you today of this awesome brand new 2026 year model, and this is the 2-horse slant bumper pull living quarters. Let's take a walk around this thing and show you. Starting up front, you've got your diamond plated gravel guard with your propane tanks, and this one does have a hydraulic jack there for you, and your regular 7-pin hookup for the truck, cables, all that good stuff located right there at the front. There's a water spigot on the front there for you to fill up your bowls. That'll come out of your freshwater tank. This one does have the slide out, so that'll make up that inside very nice and wide, and you'll see in just a few minutes when we go inside there. Underneath there you can see you've got your freshwater and city water hookups. Moving over, this one has drop feed windows on the head side. This one has a spare tire here mounted on the rear. Moving around to the back of the trailer. On that left side, that is your sewer hose mounted there, and then a brush box there on the bottom. This one has the swinging saddle racks. And the rear tack there on the left side, that wall will fully collapse. It's got your throttle hooks there as well. This one does have the fully lined and insulated horse area, and you can see that slider there on that rear door on the right side as well. Light and roof vents, and this has the slam latch with the telescopic divider, so you can make room and get that first horse in there. And there's the walk-through door to the living quarters area. Coming around on the passenger side, there's one big drop feed window with the double handles. On the kick side, nice big awning there coming off of that living quarter door. There's a light up above that door and a handle there as well. Got a 110 outlet, and then just your vents, water heater, all that good stuff here on the outside. I'll show you from this side. This trailer is 22 foot long on the floor, 6'9" wide, and 7.5 foot tall. It's right around 5,800 pounds empty, so not very heavy at all. Let's take a look at the inside of the living quarters area. All right, moving into the living quarters, we got a nice step there. As soon as you come into the left, you've got your control panels, lights, awning, battery switch there on the bottom, tank levels, water heater. Then to the right side is your radio controls, as well as another light. Coming in, so again, right here at the door to the right when you come in, got a little sitting area, cushions. There's the TV mount, and then this top storage goes all the way around and covers the top of the couch as well. And that is the jackknife couch that will fold down into a bed. Sliding door for the bathroom, furnace, thermostat, microwave, storage, sink, stove top, fridge, and more storage. And then moving into the bathroom, porcelain toilet with storage, fuse box. There's that door that'll lead you to the horse area. More storage there. And then your shower. Again, this is the brand new 2026 model 2-horse slant load bumper pull living quarters. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 443-528-3559. Or if you want to look at all of our current inventory, you can take a look on our website at www.nchorsetrailers.com. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.